Right, let's take a look at YTL Corporation. Stock is still in an uptrend, although I don't know whether it's forming a head and shoulders top or not, but anyway, before it drops below the 50 MA, let's not jump to conclusion, because after all, the stock has been moving up, and if it's trading sideways, then it's just resting. But the uptrend, I think, is getting a bit tired, because if you can see, the uptrend should be making higher highs and higher lows. Here there's higher lows here, higher high, but here it fails to make a higher high. So the uptrend now is, there's some questions about it, but we just don't want to jump to conclusions before it drops below a support area. This is the latest support area, the lows formed here, and the 50 MA is still intact. Now things might not look so good if it drops below this support area and the 50 MA. Then it will probably meet the next support area, which is here. So the next support area is here. So even if it corrects down to this area, we might see it bounce up again. But anyway, the 50 MA, if it's strong enough, it might help to keep the stock in check and from dropping. And if it finds supports here and break above this downtrend line, maybe it can go higher from there. There are quite a lot of very nice breakout plays in this stock. For example, it's a breakout play here. You can buy the breakout, put a stop loss below somewhere here, or the breakout, put a stop loss here. There's a bullish cross here that hinted of a nice uptrend. And this stock has been trading above the rising 200 MA most of the time. And you can see, if you go back here, this is where all it started. Nice bullish cross. It was trading up and down the 200 MA, and then it started to break out higher. This is when there's a lot of breakout plays. As we look at all this, so that in the future, if it happens again, we can spot. Look, the breakout play here, huge volume. Somebody already spotted this stock, and then it began higher, and we can draw another rectangle here. There's another breakout play here. All these are very good breakout plays because it's above the rising 20 MA and 50 MA. Look, it's making railroad tracks, which usually it's a good time to buy stocks that are breaking out. And then we have this consolidation at support, breakout higher, so many types of plays. And you can actually also, this might be a breakdown trend line play. Okay, once it breaks above the downtrend line, when the stock is trading above the rising 200 MA, it usually is a very good place to buy the stock. And yeah, breakout, and at this moment, maybe the latest setup is here, but it's gone quite high. I would prefer a consolidation or maybe an ascending triangle breakout. Weekly chart, yeah, quite a lot of setups. Setup here, setup where break downtrend line, and since it's still above the weekly rising 20 MA, we want to stay bullish bias. You can see that you should have stayed bullish bias when it was above the rising 20 MA. Here is a breakdown trend line at weekly 20 MA play. Monthly chart. Oh, here is a bottoming tail actually. Monthly bottoming tail play where you can buy above the bottoming tail, put a stop loss here, and it shoots up higher. Maybe you can find a measured move target. We take the highs, the height of the move, project it from this swing low, and yes, the measured move target has been met. This is the former highs, and this is a support area. So all highs back in 2012, this is a support area. So if the stock even corrects to this area and doesn't drop any lower, then it could be a viable dip, viable correction. So that's it for YTL. Maybe 60-minute chart. 60-minute chart, here's a breakdown trend line play. Short term, usually I like to see it trade above the 20 MA. These are plays when it's below the 20 MA, you have to be careful. Right? Maybe this break of this downtrend line might send it higher. So that's all for YTL. Rising 200 MA points to long-term bullishness. So hope this helps. Do like and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like that.